It's strictly for the fans.
Don't play with him. Don't be nice.
Don't be nice, Jamila.
She said, I need you to make love to me without loving you. So I replied, if any man ever said that, he lied. See, if I'm going to make love to you without loving you, I'm going to have to give your brain orgasm so I can stay coming on your mind. Hey. So I can stay coming on your mind. So she says, so I tell her I'm not your cliche ass nigga. Tonight, we fucking.
Oh, rewind, bitch.
Yes.
Promise I, baby. Lick B2 going ears front to back. I know y'all didn't understand that, so I'm going to rewind that in the literal format. The last word I said was back. Back to front, I promise, is how your pussy going to be licked. See, me giving you head in the beginning is just a tease. It's like test tasting your cooking, but I ain't hungry. I'm still hungry, so I need a full plate. But let's get some things straight. This is my place, so you're going to do as I say. I'm going to lay on my back, and you're going to come get on top and ride. Yes, sir. You're going to scatter my face.
What you say?
So I'm going to flip you over on your back. So I'm going to flip you over on your back, and God forgive me for she not understand what I'm saying. I'm about to spend more time on my knees eating her pussy than I ever did praying. Quite fast. Right. It makes 3 stops in 3 minutes. 1 minute on her clit, 1 minute on her lips, in her hole, and I'm a nasty nigga. So the last minute in her ass. I'm guaranteed to eat your pussy better than them other dudes. I'm gonna act as if I lost my mind in that pussy. Call my head the Coast Guard. Call my head the Coast Guard. This tongue is search and rescue for my sanity in that pussy. I'm an inmate on death row. The last meal I requested to eat was your pussy. Known to give back spasms from commonings and induce orgasms, so lay your ass in half. See what your legs sit. See while I'm kissing your other set of lips and your legs spread across my shoulders and I'm grabbing you by your hips. You can try to back up, but the more you try to run, I'm gonna let this dick go deeper inside of you. You can try to run, but it's no. I'm gonna let this tongue go deep inside of you. You can try to run, but there's no chance of survival. And what you don't do, you don't pass out from quadruple orgasms. So now that my tongue has gave you pleasure, it's time for pleasurable pain. See, that's an oxymoron. It means it feels good when it hurts. So I gave you the disclaimer, so it's now it's time for me to give your ass this work. See, I'm the type of nigga that'll start an argument with you knowing I'm dead ass wrong and you absolutely right. Because nothing intensifies sex like fucking right after a fight. Sometimes you gotta make the scene a sexual explosion. Take out an element and fuck at 12 o'clock noon in front of the windows with the curtains open. 4 minutes from the back is long. 4 minutes from the back long is hard. 4 minutes from the back long and hard is enough.
Get that gas money.
4 minutes from the back, long and hard is enough, I figure. Just in case to remind her if she ever forgot, I'm still that nigga. Then flip my ass over to the buck so I can control how much dick I give her. Because I'm a long dicker type of nigga.
Right. Yeah.
So see, the room is full of steam and we made the walls wet. Dick pressed against your clit just made your walls wet. You ain't got to tell me to go deeper inside. You already know what to do. Move my hips in a certain motion like I'm in a hula hoop.
What?
Call knocking down everything, call me your demolition man. Your nails left marks on my back, you the architect. Now that's a hell of a design thing. Now flip you back on your stomach and kiss you over your back and over. I appreciate it. Flip you over on your back, flip you over on your stomach and over your back, I give you a kiss and that's where I lean. But I told you we fucking tonight, so I'm about to give your ass that work like Tommy did Keisha in that belly scene. So, now the sun has arisen. Now the sun has came up. And this is where I break fast and give you breakfast in bed, which consists of sausage and head. Now spread your legs and clean my face. So now we go into the love making session. And I got 12 ways that'll leave you thinking about me for 57 days. I told you I ain't an ordinary nigga. Do the math. That's 69 ways.
Give it up for Burger Rebel, man. Come on, man. Any nigga that's willing to die and his last meal is your pussy,